I'm Al Sutherland with the Mesonet Weather Report. Looking back over October, it's good to see a map that shows that every reporting Mesonet station had some numbers on it. Of course, the central part of the state received the bulk of that rain, and those red areas, those were up over 5 inches. Ketchum Ranch comes in with the best total at 5.99 inches, and this is for 30 days ending October 25th. Also above 5 inches, Ringling and Pauls Valley. Kenton is the dry spot in the state, only 0.04 of an inch of rain. That rainfall was critical for farmers to get their wheat planted. Looking at a map of 2-inch soil moisture from early in the week, we can see those dark green areas tapering down to the yellow and then on to the browns. What's nice about this map is that the central and the bulk of the state really has green colors. Those browns are off in just small areas. Although if you're in the Panhandle in the Northeast, certainly not pleasant. Those October rains were a real boost to wheat planting across the state. They were also a boost to our trees, shrubs, and grasses. We just hope now they have enough time to produce the sugars that they need for the winter and into next spring. If you're taking a look at the cold temps coming into the state, one of the ways you can monitor that is with the new national weather map of air temps that we have on the Mesonet. Go into air temps, scroll all the way down, and you'll find that national map. As of October 25th at 2 p.m., we were looking at those cold temps moving into Kansas as they headed into Oklahoma for Wednesday. Gary, what do you have for us on the drought and weather outlooks?
Thanks, Al. And with the rainfall we've had recently, that means another reduction in the drought monitor status on the latest U.S. Drought Monitor map. Now I know that's not a wide-scale improvement across most of the state, but remember, this drought's been around for 13 months now. Each rainfall is another chink in the armor of that drought. So this rainfall will set up the next rainfall for more wide-scale reductions. The drought's been around a long time. It's going to take a while to get rid of it. Now let's take a look into the future. The latest 3-month outlooks from the National Weather Service's Climate Prediction Center for the November through January timeframe show an increased chance for below normal precipitation and above normal temperatures. That's once again the primary impact of that strengthening La Nina in the equatorial Pacific waters. Now along that same vein, the latest U.S. seasonal drought outlook from the Climate Prediction Center shows that drought for Oklahoma, and in fact for most of the southern plains, is expected to either persist or intensify through the end of January. So we're still under the gun a little bit with this drought, but remember, each rainfall event does help. That's it for this time. We'll see you next time on the Mesonet Weather Report.